welcome to the vlog. It's Sunday right now. Starting off this vlog with Phyllis picking out our homegrown tomatoes, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So, would you like to explain to us how...
Your knees just
I know. Well, like whenever I kneel down, my knees always pop, so it's great. You want to explain to us how these work?
Basically, there's tomatoes.
Oh, wait, so say like this one, right? Do I gotta just pull it out? Like, what do I? Oh, I pulled it out. I just pulled it out. Does that work?
Yeah.
Oh, I just did it. Okay, wait, what about this one?
Don't touch.
Oh, okay. So I don't have permission from Phyllis to touch our...
No, I haven't even checked.
Then what are those?
I'm done.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna show you our backyard's garden right now. Some people back there doing construction. That guy just looked at me like, yo, what's Gucci? Alright, Phyllis, explain to them our garden back here.
Okay, so there's tomatoes. It's really big, as you can see. And then...
what's over here? Because
this...
Phyllis spends most of her time out here. I don't do any of this.
I don't know what that is. I don't know.
These...
There's peppers here.
Oh, right here. Can I touch them?
Yeah. I don't know
That's
what else
great.
there is.
Is there anything else?
There are cucumbers
Yeah,
over there.
I found a cucumber. Oh, it's down there, I don't think I can get it. It's like, oh guys, it's right there. Boom, right there, that's a cucumber. See that right there?
There's a cucumber over there.
That's right there. Oh, and it's wet. Okay. We have some tomatoes back there. But
we used to have broccolis and then it only
grew
we
had
one.
broccoli?
Yeah, remember we had a broccoli thing and then only grew one, so then we just chopped that off.
So that's basically our home garden right now. We're picking out tomatoes. Normally Phyllis does all of this. I just have nothing to do today, so I decided to come out and help. Alright guys, drinking my bubble tea. We are at Main Street. Basically there's a pond over there. And I just wanted to bring the drone out and just get more shots other than my neighborhood. Alright guys, but I'm basically done flying this drone for today. Sorry if this vlog wasn't much. It was basically just me flying the drone and like coming out here to this really dirty pond over there, just getting some okay shots, I guess. But that's gonna be it for this video. Of course, I'll be vlogging this next week, so stay tuned for more vlogs. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, be yourself, be awesome, stay Howified. See you guys. Alright, ew, there's poop there.